I'm gonna die. Oh my god. This is our room. It's very clean. What? Oh, I almost tripped on my VHS player. Oh, and just for the world to know that we're females.
That's very nice. I'm sure everyone appreciated
I know, right?
Everyone in the world appreciated that. Didn't you, world? Didn't you? Yes, you did. You're silly.
Yes.
What are we doing?
I don't know. We're cleaning. Not doing a very good job. This is our room.
That's from our closet. I cleaned
This
my
is
closet.
ouch. This is the cleanest part of the room we have.
It's our closet.
And you can't even see it because it's all dark.
Damn it.
Yeah, I don't know. What? I don't know what to say now. What?
Nothing.
Okay. Oh, that's for my phone. Let's
I know, right? I see that you. Trouble.
Hold on. There you go, it's on. Now we have a case for the phone. I have it sideways. I have the camera sideways. Look, here, eat that.
Don't treat for the phone. Your phone's gonna fall like
No, I just realized. Oh, Ashley. What? I did not see you throw that.
Because I went like this.
Oh. Oh,
I'm very tired.
I don't.
I'm tired.
Spoon. Ashley.
Aren't we supposed to be putting those away?
No, that's not
Open the drawer, put away pants, and you laid on my pants. And now I don't know what to do. Nothing to do. I'm gonna do. We're supposed to do it.
I am comfortable. That's from Australia. That's from mine.
Sorry, I squished it a bit.
I feel so lucky.
I know.
I'm going to do it.
Don't hit me! You won't hit me! The audience! No bully, I'm gonna get a volleyball.
What?
Oh. I know, I'm not putting it in.